Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily insert a plastic overlay effect in Canva. So I have this picture and I want to get this picture to have a plastic overlay on top of it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to insert a picture, and then after that, click elements, and on the search elements, you want to search for a plastic overlay. There's a keyword to get some assets that we are going to use for this video. So there are two options here. You can get plastic overlay from graphics or from photos. They look kind of similar in a way, so it's totally up to which one that you want to use. I'm gonna go with the photos option because I want to get a slightly higher quality, and make sure it is transparent because it is very important that you can still see the image below the plastic overlay. So I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to put it in the middle. And yeah, that is the result. But of course, there are a few tweaks because this plastic overlay is actually square, while my original image is indeed square, but it has this rounded corner. So I want to apply that to this plastic overlay as well. I'm going to click this corner rounding, and again, I'm going to adjust accordingly. I think the setting was 40, if I'm not mistaken, or 50. 50 is the correct setting. So when you're done, you will get this result. And the final thing that I usually would do is I'm going to select these two and I'm going to group them together so they are becoming one element. Every time I move, let's say, the plastic overlay, the photo will follow, and the other way around is also true. If you select the photo, the plastic overlay will also be moved. So yeah, that's basically how you can insert a plastic overlay in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.